We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can set a timer on Apple Music. So if you would like for the playlist or for the song queue that you're listening to be automatically stopped within a certain time frame, all that you gotta do is on your iPhone open the default clock app, then go into timers, select the amount of time you would like for, your songs to be played until they will be automatically paused. Your playback will be automatically paused, Once the amount of time is selected, go into the When Timer Ends menu, scroll all the way down, and select the Stop Playing action. Then Set, Start, and here you have it. In 20 minutes, the Apple Music queue will automatically stop playing. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.